Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you trying to find the fuse guys for your rear window defroster on a Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2009 to year 2015. You actually guys have up to 3 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where each one of those is located and how to test them, make sure that actually they're good or bad. So let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and if your rear window defroster deicer doesn't work guys, okay, those 3 fuses will actually show you, okay, we'll show you where they're located. Let's explain now quick. Okay, right here we have one tab, right here you need to squish, then lift it up, perfect. If you put the fuse cover, okay, like that, facing this way, it will correspond to the layout that we have right here. So which fuses guys now we need to check? Okay, that's where things get a little bit interesting. We need to find a fuse that says, okay, I'm trying to focus here, perfect, because the light is in the way. Okay, this one right here, RRHTDIND. Okay, so this is guys the second fuse, okay, next to the fuse puller. So if you come this way, it will be this fuse right here. And if you need to remove and replace this one, grab it with the fuse puller that you have right here and pull it out. Now, it's stuck guys, big time. So check this fuse out. Now, if you guys don't know for sure if it's good or bad, I'll recommend to test it. It takes only a few seconds, and we'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds practically guys, and find out if it's good or bad. If you want to buy replacement fuses for a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below as well where you can get all that from, so please check it out. Now, where is the other fuses guys? Okay, looking at it right here, you have another fuse that's called, okay, right here, RRHTD. This is a 40 amp fuse, and if you come right here in that multi-fuse, it will be the 4th fuse from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse right here will be the one responsible for that. You can see through the glass if it's burnt or not. If you don't know for sure, we have a video how to replace that multi-fuse on Hyundai Sonata, also known as mega fuse guys. Remove and replace that one. We'll have the video on how to test it as well. So another one, okay, cheap fuses guys, if you need to buy, again we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you guys need to buy to find a 3rd fuse, okay, excuse me, that's actually called a deicer fuse. Okay, this is deicer, okay, right here, deicer 20 amp fuse. This one will be the 2nd fuse, okay, from that big fuse. So this fuse right here is a deicer fuse as well. Check those guys, those 3 fuses control your rear window defroster deicer. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.